Alright, my smoke is still going, so I decided to keep recording. Where was I at on this thing? Yeah, we're going through this. So it looks like all I need to do for my app is toss one of these there it is. Toss that on there. And now it's instantiated. When the form gets created, that component's already there. And so what's the name of it? Let's just call it, well, we'll call it 1. That's fine. Are there any events for that? Nope. So let's see, let's go in here. And, well, let me see here. Let's just go ahead and well, I'm sorry. Just so many things to think about. Trying to, so if you got the file save to file routine. Well, first of all, you need to get the data. Get data raw. And then we wish to, so before you save it, this is not even, you wouldn't even use this anymore. It would be a different save. Get the data, and then, I don't know, you sort of encode it, encode it, and then you compress, and those could be combined as the same function. That's the whole trick of this, making video nice and yet small. You then compress, get data raw, then encode it, compress, and then you. So, if I take that data, I could put into that G funk, whatever that thing was called, G7, and then we. Wow. I don't even know what exactly is going on with this codec here, but I think it has something to do with trying to figure out who uses that. Anyways, you'd say encode. You give it the bytes. You give it a buffer length. It's got an length out buffer, and then the length out buffer, and it encodes it, and then you just save it. So the picture, I think you need to the bitmap. Now let's see here. I'm trying to think how you get the data. I don't want to save the clipboard. I just want to get the data. So somewhere in this image is the data. It could be in the canvas. Oh my God, how do you, or it could be in the picture, or in the bitmap. I don't think it's in that icon. I don't know what the icon's for. I wonder how you get the data. Maybe it's the bitmap. There it is. There it is. Save to stream. There it is. So you just have to search. You have to search. You know, I've probably done that function before. I've probably actually seen that function before, but it could have been a year, 2 or 3 or 10 years ago when I saw that. So you know, you have to sort of kind of try to figure out what. Sometimes you don't get the help file, but luckily this type ahead helps you search for functions. The type ahead feature. So let's go ahead and create a stream. I want to create the memory stream. Oh. And I say you try it, and I need to include memory streams. Part of what unit? It's in classes, so I would have thought that would have been uses. I don't have classes in here? Sure. Well, maybe I should look at my error, see what it says. Oh, it was redeclared. So see, you gotta look at the error. I thought it was telling me some other error. So it wasn't a memory stream. Memory stream. So you create it. Okay, and then you save to stream. Dang it. You want to get a finally, oh nice, fills that in for you nicely. Okay. So with that, and now we take that that's the memory right there, and the memory length is L memory stream length. It's all confused here, hang on. Size. Okay. With that, oh, we got a little bit more, a few more things to go through. Out buffer. Oh, I gotta save it. Oh, I gotta make 2 of them. The L stands for local. I use local, L for local. All right. Memory out. So this actually belongs up here. I am going to save the file to show the, well actually it's already been saved. Oh, we're going to move this code. boy. Just thinking of some things. Boy, folks, I kind of like this this venue of showing you what I'm doing, and then it helps me produce better, helps me think. I'm on camera, so I have to perform. So I know I doze off sometimes, but I'm doing my best. Thinking of a lot of things here. So we're gonna let that say. This is gonna go to another function. And we're going to make that a button. And you want to open up this directory, get all of the files in there. Let's just do one file. I'm just going to make this simpler for now. So we get in there, I'm going to put this in there. I think I can load from stream. So load from stream here. I gotta declare my variables again here. Hang on. Alright, see how that works. God damn it. This fucking shit on the surface here is pissing me off. There's probably a way to turn that off, and I have no clue how. This is the dialogue. I'm trying to think. Oh. I have to say size, set size. Set size equals to it'll be the same size or less. The idea is that we're going to compress this. Excuse me, it's the same same size as that. Wow, that's annoying us. I'm going to start swearing here pretty soon. How do you turn that off? I think it's just I'm hovering over it. That's why. Okay, load from file. Let's get the file name. Alright, let's just get number 1. It's in capture demo. Holy cow. Sometimes this stuff takes time, folks. A lot of daydreaming going on too for me. Smoke is still going good, so after what, 5 hours? All right. Alright, what am I doing here? I'm going to load from file. Okay. Now, oh, that pop-up thing is just pissing the hell out of me. I want to be able to hit, if I hit the control, then I would think I'd want that to pop up. One of these I think is it. I think that might be it there. Let's see what happens. I guess not. That's better. That was the one. Okay. Memory stream size. Set size. Load from file. Set the size of the out to the in. This is not quite right. We want to put this up here. Encode it from the memory stream out. And we need one more thing right here. Out length is L. Still getting used to this thing. L. I'm having trouble with the code completion there. Oh, it takes in a variable. Let's see if that shows that. What I mean by variables. See right there, that var out length.